Hey guys, Hobbybox604. I'm back doing another free group break. This is group break number 9999. This is a box of 1213 certified for the loyal members that joined our new site specifically for our Toonie breaks, which is the site that you see behind on the background there, breakrs.hobbybox604.ca. Registered there, buy credit, and join the Toonie breaks. Lots of fun. Here we go with the free one. Thanks everyone for joining us. And let's see if we could get something big in this break. Empty box. Here we go, pack one. Let's put this here. There you go. We start with a red, mirror red, number 18 of 100 for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. Mike Modano, Dallas Stars, mirror red. Pack 2 is a hit for the LA Kings, fabric of the game, 221 of 299, Simon Gagne. Simon Gagne for the Kings. Pack 3 is a Path to the Cup, 54 of 199, Ruslan Fedotenko for the Rangers and Zach Parise for the Devils. Randomized between the two teams. Unless one person wants to give that up to the other one, we don't have to randomize it. Oh, I thought it was autographed. I was gonna say another Mario Lemieux. We have an immortal for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Evgeny Malkin to 999. And for the Florida Panthers, freshman signatures of Colby Roback, 215 of 999. We'll try there for you, D-Man. We'll try. Get you a Habs. We have an ugly all-base pack. Boo. Really? 2 base packs? Hopefully we have a monster. We have another mirror red. This is for the Islanders. 150 of 199. John Tavares. That's usually the case there, D-Man. When you don't have them, you get them. For the Avalanche, nice hit. Number 119 of 150, fabrics of the game, die cut. Mirror red, Jean-Sébastien Giguère. For the Colorado Avalanche. 2 packs left in the free box. Okay. Weird. What the hell? That was a weird pack. Okay, for the Calgary Flames, certified stars of Jerome Gilna to 999. That was a weird pack. Let's see what this one gives us. Oh, we have a redemption. We have a redemption. And it is freshman signatures mirror blue, number to 99 for the Edmonton Oilers, Philippe Cornet. For the Edmonton Oilers, Philippe Cornet, freshman signatures mirror blue to 99. Not bad. Okay, let's see who has the Rangers and who has the Devils. Thank you, thank you. Let's quickly see Rangers and the Devils. Rangers is Frank, and the Devils is Shobo. I will take care of Shobo with the baseball card, and we'll automatically give this to Frank. You don't have to randomize it. There you go, guys. That was the free box. Thanks for joining us. Hope and that you liked it, and we'll do more of these in the near future. Thanks for watching.